So the first thing you have to know about this thing, I hope it's going great for all of you. So the first thing you have to know is you have to know how many milliliters do you have to get to a liter. So in this case, we know that a milliliter, 1,000 milliliter gives you 1 liter. Okay, so that's very easy, right? So you can base all your stuff on that, right? Now if you want to get to a liter, just think about it logically. You go on times. If you go from a milliliter over here, let me just fix this. If you go from a milliliter to a liter, okay, so this is easy. So you say, okay, you go on times because it's going to get bigger, so you have to divide, right? So you say divide with 1,000. Now you say, okay, 7,000. Okay, 7,000 divide by 1,000, and then you say, okay, what else can't be divided by 1,000? So this part can't be divided by 1,000, right? So you say plus 428 milliliter. Okay, remember this one is still a milliliter, right? This one still says milliliter over there. Okay, and then remember this is you're going to liter now. Okay, so don't forget about that. Okay, so the next step you will say, okay, 1,000 goes into 7,000, gives you 7. So then you know, okay, that is your liter. And then the only thing you put with it, you say, okay, plus to 428 that couldn't be divided by the 1,000. Okay, so and then you say, alright, put it all together. You say 7 liter and then 428 milliliter. Okay, and that will be your answer for this one. Okay, so it looks difficult, but it's not that difficult. Okay, we just, yeah, I'll show you again with this one as well. Alright, so the next step, okay, next one we'll do this one. Okay, so in this case we're going to divide. We're going to, okay, so you say 3618 milliliter goes to liter. Okay, and then we say, alright, but how is this going to happen? Okay, remember we said here we divide by 1,000. So you see this is 3,000, right? So we write that 3,000 down. So we say 3,000 milliliter divide by, so you just write there divide by how many? 1,000. Okay, and then you say plus, and then you write down what we can't divide with the 1,000. Okay, so there we go. Next step, then we say 1,000 goes into 3,000 3 times, so it will be 3 liters plus 618 milliliters. Okay, and then you will get, if you put it together, 3 liters 618 milliliters. Okay, now this is the answer you're gonna have to get. And remember, all of your schools are not doing the same thing. You get the comma one as well, so you guys have to let me know if your school is doing this one or not. If it's not doing this one, let me know. I'll make one from the other one as well, the comma as well. So this is one way of doing it. There's another way, but if your school is doing this is the best way of doing it. Okay, and remember, I see now I forgot an L, but it's not that bad. Okay, remember the L, right? Okay, so let's go on and do the third one. Okay, so now we say 478 milliliter. Okay, so now we say, okay, first step first, we're gonna say 478 milliliter and take it to a liter. So now we say, okay, Do you see any thousands? This is 478. So you say 0 divide by 1,000. Okay, plus 478 milliliter. Okay, if you type that in, you will get 0, and then you'll say plus 478 milliliter. Okay, and then at the end you'll say 0 liter and 478 milliliter. Okay, easy as pie. Okay, I hope you understand this way. There's a 3 ways of doing this, and yeah, let me know if you understand. If you don't understand, let me know as well. Okay, and if you want me to do the other method, because your school is doing the other method, do that one. Or remember, do always what your teacher says. Okay. Yeah, and then you must have a nice weekend or a day or week. God bless.